Hi everyone, in this problem we're going to draw this triangle using the given coordinates. The coordinates are given in both absolute and relative coordinate format. Once we are done drawing the triangle, we're going to have to find out the distance between point A and the midpoint of side BC. So let's get started with the line tool first. Click the line tool and then we're going to enter the absolute coordinates for point A. 28, 15.5. Press enter. Next point is B, given in relative coordinate format, which is relative to point A. So type at first -10, -24.5. Press enter. Now notice that the next point C is also relative coordinate, given in relative coordinate format and relative to point A. Since our last point that we entered is point B, we have to exit from the line tool. So I'm going to right click and then click cancel and then start a new line. Click on the point A and now our point C is going to be relative to point A. So type at 5.5, -20. Press enter and then I'm going to simply click that point B to complete the triangle. Right click, cancel or enter to exit from the line tool. Now you see the shape looks a little bit different. Here it says the shape of your drawing may not be in the same proportion of the given image. Okay, now we need to find the distance between point A and the midpoint of side BC. So first make sure that midpoint is checked. So if the midpoint is not checked, make sure that you put a check mark there. Alright, so type DI for distance, press enter, click point A and click the midpoint. So the distance is 22.3635.